Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so I'm doing this video to let you know that my father passed away. Yes, my father passed away. Mr. Q Pearson passed away. He died on the 26th of December, the year 2021. One of the horriblest days in my life, people. See? Now, I'm that dumb if me never do a video like this to show my respect to my father. A man who helped build communities. A man who contributed a lot to the building of Jamaica, upliftment of Jamaica as well. I mean, I say these things just because he's my father, you know. Evidences are out there, proofs are out there of things that he had done, places that he had built with his hands. So may I say, he taught me how to use a hammer. He taught quite a number of people how to use a hammer. And if I'm actually correct, which I think I am correct, he taught a certain number of persons how to survive. See? He's a construction worker, a builder, a skilled person. He taught me how to build and be a family man. He's a married man. Married for decades. Never abandoned none of his children, them nor his wife. He raised us to the best of his knowledge. And in my point of view, I think that's enough viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? You see me? The way how my father teach us certain standards in life is some of the greatest things that he had done for me. And not only his children, but for others out there. People, with all the respect that I have, I want to give and show to this man who made me the person I am right now. My father, Mr. Q Pearson. Me lose a good family. One of the best family. I tell you. Alright? So me just make you know my people. Alright? And big up and respect. So until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.